Hey guys, so today I have Subway. I just got home. I took a couple bites of my sandwich. I couldn't wait. So I have Doritos. I have a ham and cheese sub with lettuce, tomato, green peppers, pickles, onions, salt, pepper, mayonnaise, oil. And I also saw that they had broccoli cheddar soup, but I've never had it, so I got a cup of soup to try. It's pretty good. I tried it. It's hot. Not as good as Panera, but it's still good. And the guy said that I was getting soup if I wanted to, just add a drink and make it a meal. So I got Jay a drink. He's getting ready to go to work. So I'll drink it until he leaves. Different setting. I'm in Jay's man cave. I'm actually sitting at Adri's Play-Doh table. This is probably the best Subway I've ever had. It's super good today. And messy. Oh, they gave me napkins. Adri's over there eating her turkey and cheese with mayonnaise, cucumber, pickle, and tomato. And she has Doritos. I'm filming.
Where's my popcorn?
Right here. I was drinking till you came out. I was trying to block you since you're in underwear. And she has a cookie and Doritos.
Oh, I hate night shift.
You hear Jay?
Okay, bye people at home.
I'm so hungry. I ate today at 10:30 this morning. And that's it. It's like 5:30 right now. 5:35. There's like no non-messy way to eat that way. So good. I'm inhaling this thing. God, hear that? What the heck? How's your food, Adri?
Good. And I got a cookie.
Mm-hmm. I could either get you chips or a cookie, and I decided to get you a cookie. Adri has school pictures tomorrow. And she just lost her first tooth the other day. So her very first school picture, and she'll be missing her very first tooth. have a gnat flying around. I don't know why. I don't have any bananas or any produce. Jay.
What?
When I was at Meijer, guess what they have on the 10 for 10 sale?
I have no idea.
The Campbell's Chunky Soup that we love.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Those are pretty good. That's a pretty good deal.
That's a really good deal. It looks amazing. I grabbed the ad because I'm going to the grocery anyway. There's healthy stuff. We can get soup. We can start our diet as I shove this stuff in my face.
Is it chilly out?
Yeah.
Like
And raining.
in the morning, if I need a coat.
Not a coat, but like a sweatshirt. And then nug him. They get to watch me eat and watch you do your belt all at the same time.
I gotta go to my job. What my employer calls an important job. Yeah, right. So
Will you bring me a napkin?
it was so important they paid me more money. What?
Bring me a napkin.
Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. I gotta. You might have to go get it yourself. Oh, what the heck kind of shit is this?
It's a sub.
Well, I know, but it won't.
We're eating dinner and it's not even time to eat dinner. 5:39.
We were eating dinner early since Danny has to leave for work since he's on third shift this week. It's Danny's last night. He's off the next 4 days.
Not really.
Kinda.
Yeah, going Friday for 4 hours, or Thursday night into Friday morning. We'll be late.
I have mayonnaise everywhere.
But my car makes up to die.
Why wasn't it?
I don't know. It runs rough right now because of the water.
Jay got a new gas tank on his car the other day. His had a little hole up by the nozzle, so it was always smelling like gas. This is amazing.
Santa's amazing because I don't know how they even found that pink and blue and white train.
Are you watching a Christmas vlog?
Yeah.
All right. Give me a kiss, Adrian. Love you. Have a good night. Be good for Mom. Have a good day at school tomorrow.
Picture day.
Oh, that's right. Make sure you get her up at a decent time
Oh,
to get her looking beautiful.
you'll be home in the morning.
I'll be asleep by the time I'll probably leave work at 5:30. I don't need to really be there after 5. I'll do my reporting and leave. All right, bye. Love you guys.
Bye. Love you. Let me know when you get there.
Okay.
You're not gonna tell people at home bye?
Bye, people at home.
I'm so hungry. I'm so tired. Last night Alex woke up and was up from like midnight till 3 in the morning. So I went to bed a little after 3 in the morning. Got up at like 7. I got 3 hours and 47 minutes according to my Fitbit. Because I tapped it before I went to sleep, and I tapped it when I woke up. I'm exhausted. Mm-hmm. So good. We were gonna get Kentucky Fried Chicken, and I said something about Subway. And then Adrian went in Subway, and Jay said Subway. So
Alex didn't because he's little.
Allergies. I'm back up. I could literally go to sleep right now. Mommy's tired. If you watch this far into the video, comment down below, Subway Eat Fresh. I love seeing who watches to the end. That is stupid nap. That was amazing. Alright, Lisa. Next time you do a Subway, make sure you press record. As soon as I pulled up the Subway, I thought about you and your video where you forgot to press record. You want to come say hi?
Yeah.
Before I'm done?
Yeah.
This side. Other side. You gonna smile and show me your missing tooth?
Wait.
Her bottom tooth.
What?
Yeah. Are you all done with your food?
Yes. Yes.
You need to start working out. Not today. I'm so tired. It's so funny because on Mondays, Adri has gymnastics, and when we get home from gymnastics, I start trying to do all these gymnastics tricks from back in the day. Jay's like, "Honey, you're gonna hurt yourself. you're not young anymore. You're 39 years old." But I'm still trying.
Tomorrow's picture day.
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow's picture day. Tomorrow's picture day.
We have to go up and pick out your outfit that you want to wear tomorrow for your pictures.
Yep. And I'm gonna watch my phone for a minute.
Okay. My hair. Jay took my pop. I'm super thirsty. Oh, man. Back really hurts.
Oh, and I want to tell him something else. Guess what? The tooth beside my missing tooth is loose too.
Yeah.
The colors it is now.
Mm-hmm. Why don't you go get a wet wipe and wipe your face off? You have chocolate chip cookie all over your face.
I still don't want my chocolate chip cookies.
Okay. No, don't jump. Your sister's asleep in the other room, honey. Okay, that's a sign. Time to wrap this up. Thank you so much for watching.
No.
Thanks for having dinner with me.
No.
What's your favorite sandwich from Subway? Or if it's not a sandwich, what do you get? I've never had like their salads or flatbreads. Yeah. I will see you in my next one.